So now guys, we have here banana leaves. My cousin said this is safe to be fed for rabbits, and I have searched it on Google.
This will be their dinner.
And I have found out that it's good. Rabbits.
This is their dinner.
Rabbits can eat banana leaves. It's safe. So now we're gonna try to feed this. Diba na ako?
Maabot kang bani. Naalangkaw lang yung banana leaf.
So here's the banana leaf. Hello, rabbits.
Uy, Kuya Ujin. Tama, Kuya Ujin. Alam
This is for
banana leaf.
rabbit 2. This is for rabbit 2. Gonna insert this
Her
too.
name is Babs.
For the division. See here. It's the division of the leaf. Let's put in here like rabbits. Get this. Rabbits.
Rabbits and vision.
Yeah, the rabbits are eating it. That's kind of fun.
Say kami safe to eat. Rabbits. Hindi mo maging carnivores
Then,
and sila
then yeah, you just put some divisions then. Then it's now rabbits have now food.
Kuya.
Oh,
Kuya
so
Jomo.
cute.
Ay, Kuya Ichi. May ang iba da ang Kuya Ichi na rabbit sa ibang baby. Kakaunon niya sa ibang
Pag magagadan.
Day na kaya niya. Kakaunon sa iba.
See? So now I have to feed those rabbits these banana leaves.
Ako lang nga. Baby bunny.
See? This. Wait, hey. It was good. Hello, Mr. Kid. What are you doing here?
Oh, it's once more.
Yeah, that's one more. What are you doing here?
Look, it's eating.
Yeah, it's eating some banana leaves.
Banana leaf.
Yeah, it's banana leaves. What are you doing here?
More.
What are you doing here?
He's a take a bad process. The name is Jelly Bean.
What's the name? What's the name of this one?
It's Bugs.
Bugs and?
Mocha.
Oh.
Saita Mocha.
So now we're gonna make some leaves then.
Yeah. Mocha. It's here.
You want some leaves? Feed them. I'm gonna give some more. Put it here. Here.
Here, bunny. Here's some stuff. Bunny. Here's snack. Here, bunny. Stand up now. Bunny. Here, the
Just watch.
Happy the bunny. Bunny's eating the carrots. Eat, bunny. Eat, bunny. Here, bunny. Mocha.
I'm gonna add in a few.
Oh. I want the bunny. I want bunny.
Go to bunny anytime you want, but not now.
I want the bunny. Kuya,
No!
You must go home. It's already afternoon.
Bye.
Bigyan pa kaon mo dyan. Baka bigyan pa kaon mo dyan. Nakaulo.
Yan po.
No.
Banana leaves. Kaya mo ganun bigyan kaon kan?
Oh no, bye for now guys, I'm so sorry. These rabbits are busy eating this stuff. This can be used for their diets. Bye for now guys. This is here Kadogi. I hope this is good for them. And insert it there.
Down kasi litiga kaong ka. Nimo ka.
They're so sweet guys. So you noticed guys, I haven't closed the camera yet because this video will last for exactly 5 minutes. See?
So adorable.
Pagod sa kikim sa ko. Sige na nga. These are some foods. Thanks.
Ano daw ang bunny type na Pokemon?
Si ano?
Noise.
Loop bunny. Bunny Rita's loop bunny.
Mago sa
Normal.
noise. Sa kontra.
There's a secret guy in there.
Sa kontra kay ano. Digil pop. Ali.
Yan.
Bang ni.